Hey guys, Ray from Love Your RV and Boat. Today's topic is our front bow thruster. So we have a side shift bow thruster. It's one that you add on to the boat later. And had a problem last year where it would get quite wiggly and I couldn't figure out how to tighten it up. It seems there's a nut behind that front cap that you have to tighten, but the thing had been on there for a number of years and everything was sort of seized. So I waited till after this winter when we were on dry land, and I took off the whole thing and we got it all recoated. Got a guy to strip it right down to bare metal again, and then he applied some Interlux, I think it's something 2000 Interprotect barrier coat, and then also it's had bottom paint, and then you can see there's some stripes that were painted on there to make it look blend into the boat. So that's some footage of that, so we'll give you a look at that. But now it's been functioning great. It's back on the boat and nice and tight again. Looks like it slides in a groove. It slides down.
Oh yeah.
That's why I can't pull it out.
Oh. Okay. Yay!
Yeah, the aluminum's corroded in there, but I think we can save it. Still got the screw holes. Just might have to tap some new screw holes in there. And then the new thing, the brand new thing, will have a screw thing. That. See how that's loose.
You gotta wiggle it again. Yeah, that's not good.
It's supposed to be like right up against there. So that needs to be tightened up. Well, managed to get it off. Now we got to clean all this up. I took the sacrificial zincs off. We have a fresh set here. Also a new top for this. This was broken on the old one. And then there's some rubber boots here for the electrical connections. I've ordered some new ones of those. Looks like they just fill them up with silicone, keep the water out. Clean up the nuts and everything, and clean this up. So I guess when you mount it and you do up that bolt, this slides in like that. So it's a big pain to take it off because it kind of corroded together. That's aluminum. Anyway, like I say, clean up those electrical connections there and see how we do. Bow thrusters all painted up and ready to put back on the boat once the bottom paint's finished. And then Anne's putting on the stripes so it'll match the blue stripe on the boat. A little bit of white up here, and then down here we'll put more of the bottom paint. Getting there, getting there. Okay, all back together on the boat. It's got its stripes painted. A few slight adjustments to be made to the cap up there, but we're going to give it an electrical test. One way and the other. So I cleaned up the two electrical connections and then filled it with marine grade sealant. Keep the water out. We've got new zincs, 4 new zincs on it. Then this thing, I figured out what it is, the little tube that comes out here, and it's just to release any pressure buildup. It's an air vent for the thing. I guess if it gets warm, so that the inside doesn't expand and ruin the seals for the props. But anyway, should be good. Well, there we go. Back in business. Till next time, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. Cheers, everyone. Just anchored in a nice little bay. I think it's around June 18th. It's like we're going to be having a nice warm afternoon.